right, I'm up.
Rise and shine, Kenny G.
What the hell kind of alarm noise is that?
Oh, you like that? Yeah, that's supposed to sound like one of those foreign police cars.
It's too early for foreign police cars.
Well, you just said to wake you up. You didn't really set an alarm tone.
I didn't even know you had alarm tones.
Well, now you do. And since you don't like foreign police cars, I will now cycle through all available tones. Bleep, 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 bleep. Wobbity, 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 wobbity.